Hello dear students, welcome you all to the home mentoring session of business study. As we have covered chapter 3, in this video I will do the recapitulation of private sector as well as public sector with its basic differences. Before doing that, we should know what is public sector. Public sector is that sector which is engaged in the activities of providing government goods and services to general public. The enterprises, agencies and bodies, whether it is central government, state government or a local government, that will come under the public sector. जो गवर्नमेंट ने बनाई हैं बिजनेस हाउसेज, जो गुड्स गवर्नमेंट प्रोवाइड करती है, वेदर ये सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट है या स्टेट गवर्नमेंट है या कोई लोकल गवर्नमेंट है, that unit will come under the public sector. Now we will come to the private sector. Private sector, we know about the private sector, we have studied chapter 2. In the private sector we included 5 forms. I think everybody knows. 5 forms are sole proprietorship, partnership firm, joint Hindu family business, cooperative societies and joint stock company. So what is private sector? Which is not owned by the government, it is owned, controlled and managed by the private individual. And the private sector companies are divided on the basis of large scale as well as small scale, because they are not having huge resources. So these industries does not work only for the large scale. सब तरह की इंडस्ट्रीज होती हैं प्राइवेट सेक्टर में, स्मॉल, लार्ज एंड मीडियम इंडस्ट्री. ठीक है, एंड दिस इंडस्ट्री इज नॉट ओन्ड बाय द गवर्नमेंट, दिस इज ओन्ड बाय द प्राइवेट इंडिविजुअल. लेट अस नाउ स्टार्ट विद द मेन डिफरेंस बिटवीन पब्लिक सेक्टर एंड प्राइवेट सेक्टर. Public sector is a part of country's economy where the control and maintenance are in the hands of the government. If we talk about private sector, it is owned and managed by the private individuals and corporations. Simple सी लाइन है, पब्लिक सेक्टर किसकी होती है? गवर्नमेंट. और प्राइवेट सेक्टर किसका होता है? प्राइवेट इंडिविजुअल उसको ओन करते हैं, वही उनके ऑनर होते हैं, वही उसको मैनेज करते हैं. And the major aim of the public sector is to serve the common people. But private sector का main aim क्या है? To earn profit. In public sector, government has full control over the organization. In the private sector, control नहीं है, but they are having the right to interfere in shape of taxes, in shape of sale tax, GST or income tax. They can check the accounts of any private business houses also. Employees of public sector are called government employee, and they also get the benefit given by the government like allowances, perquisites and the retirement like gratuity, pension and superannuation fund, which are not prevalent in the private sector. In the private sector, working environment is quite competitive, which is missing in the public sector. प्राइवेट सेक्टर में जॉब सिक्योरिटी नहीं होती, इसलिए वहां पर कंपटीशन ज्यादा होता है. दे डोंट नो व्हेन दे विल बी फायर्ड फ्रॉम द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, सो दे वर्क अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर कंपटीशन, दे अकॉर्डिंग टू द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ द जॉब. पब्लिक सेक्टर में क्या होता है? पूरी जॉब सिक्योरिटी होती है, तो इनका जो मेजर एम है कमर्शियल ऑब्जेक्टिव नहीं होता, ओनली टू सर्व द सोसाइटी. In the public sector, how the promotions are done? Public sector में promotions merit base पे नहीं होती है, seniority base पे होती है कि after 5 years one person will be appointed on this post. But in the private sector, age is no bar, only the work, only the performance is seen and promotion is done on the basis of performance. ठीक है. Now we come to the conclusion. Nowadays, dear children, as you know, railway is also given to the private sector. Some work of railways has been also given to the private sector. So it is progressing very fast. Because why it progressing very fast? Because it gives the quality, not the quantity. It encourages the new talent. Public sector is in the अदर वे पब्लिक सेक्टर में ऐसी क्वालिटी नहीं होती, इट इज फुल ऑफ रिजर्वेशन, बहुत सारे लोग कोटा में आते हैं, तो जिसमें क्या होता है, इग्नोर होती है क्वालिटी, ओनली दे हैव टू फिल द पोस्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू द कोटा. And public sector enterprise gives so many facilities to their employees which makes them satisfied with their jobs is secure. जब ऐसा लगता है कि हमारी जॉब सिक्योर है, हमें कोई नहीं निकाल सकता, तो people will not be so conscious to work more and more work. There will be less enthusiasm. But in case of private sector where the performance is king, workload is much, but it keeps you active. This is missing in the public sector. Normally this is thought कि जितना ज्यादा काम करेंगे उतना ज्यादा एक्टिव होगा, उतना ज्यादा ब्रेन वर्क करेगा, उतनी ज्यादा इनोवेशन आएगी. और पब्लिक सेक्टर में काम कम होता है तो इनोवेशन भी कम होती है, मोनोटोनस लाइफ होती है, बोर्डम होती है. दे बिकम लकीर के फकीर बोलते हैं, दे बिकम लकीर के फकीर. दे डोंट चेंज themselves according to the required situation. So I think private sector is taking the major part of economy in the India. Now we will study the difference of private sector and public sector in this format. For example, meaning, we study the meaning. You know, everybody knows public sector is formed by the government, private sector is formed by the private sector. Basic objective of public sector is to serve the citizen of the country, and the private sector is to earn more and more profit. Public sector raise money from the general public through the taxes or the penalties or any duty etc. और प्राइवेट सेक्टर, अगर हम कंपनी की बात करें तो उनका पैसा कहां से आता है, इधर दे इशू शेयर्स और डिबेंचर और दे टेक लोन फ्रॉम द बैंक. पब्लिक सेक्टर किस एरिया में काम करती है, पुलिस, आर्मी, माइनिंग, हेल्थ, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, एजुकेशन एक्सेट्रा. एंड प्राइवेट सेक्टर में किस एरियाज में, किस टाइप ऑफ बिजनेस में काम किया जाता है, that is mining, transport, education, telecommunication. Benefits of working, अगर हम public sector में काम करते हैं, there is a full job security, but in the private sector job security कम है, but salary package is more chances of growth is there in the private sector. In the public sector, promotion is done on the seniority basis. In the public sector, promotion is done only on the merit basis. Job stability, as you know, here is a full job security, but in the private sector there is no job security. Thank you very much.